How to show what you're playing on Discord Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can show what you are playing on Discord Mobile. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sometimes you are playing Roblox and then you want the Discord Mobile app to show that you're playing Roblox. Maybe you're listening to songs, you want the Discord app to show that you're listening to some songs. Now, there are two ways to do this. One is automatic process, the other is manual process. And sometimes on some of the games, the automatic process might not actually work, because what happens is that if you're playing a game, Discord is not going to recognize that game, and that is why it is not going to be able to tell that you're currently doing this. But what you can do is you can just come to your profile page, tap the set status option, and then just select set a custom status, and now you can just type in over here if you're actually playing Roblox. So you can just type in playing Roblox in this case, and once you do this, you can set this as the active status, and people will be able to see that you're playing Roblox by tapping the save option over here. And this way you should be able to show what you're playing on Discord, but this is a manual process. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.